strategist, and in large part by my profession, that they still think it's 20 years ago where people don't have the access to look things up and find out if it's true. Because we have such a large distrust in my profession, and quite frankly, we have earned it, people are not going to take what someone says at face value as being the God's truth. And so they're going to look up and say, is he consistent on this? Well, no, actually he's not. And he is, when he falls into that trap of being considered a typical politician, which, by the way, the base on both sides are vehemently against.
Yeah. Okay.
And if he starts speaking like a traditional politician, and he is one, he spent 40 years in Washington, if he starts throwing out big words and concepts and trying to sort of talk down not just to Trump, but to voters, he really has a problem in earning their support.
The article you wrote, Forgotten Counties Will Make Their Voices Heard, is, I mean, everybody should read this. You talk about a county that was Democrat forever, notoriously Democrat, and these small counties, little by little, have been moving towards the Republicans. And you talk about one where it was lopsided for the Democrats forever, and now it's a Republican. The registration has gone off the charts for the Republicans there. And you mentioned several counties in Pennsylvania are like that. Is that enough? I mean, Donald Trump needs every single vote he can get in some of these states just to battle the possibility of a rigged election. Are the numbers for Trump, do you think, solid and bigger than they were in 16?
So what I think was, in 2016, I wrote in August of 2016, there's 10 counties to watch, that if just 2,000 or more voters showed up in these counties for Trump over Romney, that Trump would win. It didn't matter what happened in Philadelphia. It didn't matter if Hillary Clinton was able to replicate Obama numbers and or exceed them, he would still win. And I said by 40,000 votes, it was actually 44,000 votes. Those numbers need to increase. Not increase. They need to remain steady. Plus, they need to draw out 1% more voters to be able to offset the Philadelphia numbers. Again, doesn't matter what the turnout is.